Here are the damaged tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start with the first. Damage is there. Damage is there. All in that corner. And all up to there. Second, corner damage. Various marks on the actual porcelain surface which won't clean off, caused by bits being sandwiched there. Damage there. Next one, damage here on the sides, as you can see, chipping all down there. Other than that, it's not too bad. Next one, as you can see, the delivery bits are taking a whack. We've got chunks missing out of this tile here, and obviously the one behind it, as you can see there, and all the way down the sides as well.